shalom aleichem. Heivenu shalom aleichem.
Indeed, the distinctive beauty of this particular Torah is that it is being written with the express intention of celebrating and enhancing the spirit and unity within our Naples community.
The Torah scroll that we're inaugurating today is being dedicated by a woman, a very kind, sincere, devoted woman who is dedicating this Torah in honor of her 3 daughters. Patricia Atkins is a living tribute to the Torah's concept of womanhood, a true woman of valor.
The 13th mitzvah of the Torah is to write a Torah scroll.
We are so excited to fulfill this important mitzvah today.
And now it is my distinct pleasure to introduce the esteemed mayor of Naples, Mayor Bill Barnett.
And whereas the Torah is the most sacred object in Judaism, continuing an unbroken chain of over 3,000 years,
Shalom aleichem. Heivenu shalom, shalom, shalom aleichem.
This is another beautiful day of connection at the world-famous Chabad of Naples.
Friends, do you know what I cherish most about our Chabad Naples community? It's that we are not monolithic. We don't shun or spurn differences, we celebrate them. We invite and accept everyone who walks through our doors warmly, unconditionally, and non-judgmentally, as they are, right wing, left wing, Republican, Democrat, rich, poor, married, single, affiliated, unaffiliated, Eagles fans, Patriots fans, Dolphins fans, heck, even Steelers fans. Everyone is welcome and can feel at home, because at the end of the day, those differences are external to who we really are.
Las manas